What is up, my people? This is Legend FX. You welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more weekly forex forecast. This is going to be the weekly market outlook from 13th of January to 17th of January 2025. I'll be analyzing US 30, NAS 100, gold, GBP USD, Euro USD, GBP JPY and Euro JPY. Mind you, this is not a signal. This is me giving out my bias based on my trading concept. Let's start with US 30. For US 30, I can actually tell that the market has been very bullish. It has been super bullish from here. Market has been forming high, low, higher, low, a higher high right here, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and a higher high. So the market has been very bullish, but when market got to 45,100, market actually dropped abruptly from 45,100 and currently sitting at 42,000. Market dropped abruptly since December 5th 2024. Market has been dropping, causing a change in order flow from here, causing a change in order flow right here. And currently I would have this my zone markup per my trading concept, or with how I trade. I would have my zone markup here because market has been very bullish. I would want to be looking for buy setups. Now on the daily time frame, because I can actually tell that market is bullish all this while, I would want to look for entry confirmations right here within this zone, and I'll be looking to ride this market all the way from this zone right here all the way up here. Let's move on to the 4-hour time frame if we could get a bit more better entries. So on the 4-hour time frame, market has actually tapped into my zone. I would want to see market rise all the way back up here. That is for the long term buy, just as I actually want to see on the daily time frame. But then because of how the daily candle closed on Friday, I may want to wait a little longer for the market to actually drop a bit further into my zone, or perhaps grabbing liquidity just beneath this zone and rise back up here. And that's of about 500 pips move. That will be the short term bias. With the longer term bias, I would want to ride this market. I would want to buy and hold from 42,000 back up to 45,100 or 45,100. Let's move on to the 30 minutes if we could get a better entry right here. So in the 30 minutes time frame as well, market has been dropping right here, drop, retraced, dropped, retraced, and currently tapped into my zone. So I would want to see market rise up, take out this high here, more of like forming a DT, coming back down, testing this level, and I ride it back up here. So if market actually presents something like this on the 30 minutes time frame, I would look to take this market from this level here. If only market forms something like this, My TP1 will be somewhere right here, TP2 will be up here, then SL will be just below the low here. Let's move on to NAS 100. Moving on to NAS 100, I would want to look at what the price action is telling me. Market has been very bullish all this while on the daily time frame. I would want to be looking for buying opportunities. Let me go a bit further into the 4-hour time frame. Maybe you could get some new opportunities there. Alright, so I would mark up this zone. This would be my markup zone right here. Would want to see market drop a bit further into my zone because of this, more of like a channel liquidity right here. I'd want to see market drop a little further into the zone, grabbing those liquidity, and I'll ride this market all the way back up to this level, all the way back up, and that will be my long-term bias. For the short-term bias, I would want to see market rise from this point to somewhere here, or probably perhaps here. Moving on to gold. Gold on the daily time frame has been very bullish. Gold has been very bullish, just as well, forming higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. But when market got to 2,790, gold actually dropped all the way from 2,790 to 2,537. 2,537, causing a change in order flow here. Now, because gold has been super bullish, I would want to be looking for buying opportunities. Let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame as well, I can actually have this. So on the 4-hour time frame, I can actually have this, where I would want to see market come back down, test this level right here, probably around 2670. Then I'll look for further confirmations to buy to 2720 level, or perhaps riding it all the way back up to 2790, back to 2790. Perhaps. Let's move on to the 1-hour time frame. So I'll mark up this zone. Let's move on to GBP USD. So with GBP USD, can actually tell that the market has been very bullish. It was bullish all this while until the market got to 1.34300, where the market has been falling, breaking lows. just forming lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, taking out 1.2300. Now I would have this zone marked up. I would have this my zone marked up because of how the daily candle closed and what the DXY, the dollar index, is doing. I may want to see market drop a little further into my zone here. I would have loved to take the buy from here, but then the price action that was actually going on right here, market said no, it had to take out some liquidity and all that. So I would actually want market to drop a bit further into my zone, then I'll look for buying opportunities back up here. So here would be my TP1 probably, then TP2 will be somewhere up here, then I'll ride it back up here or probably to this level, probably to this level. Moving on to Euro USD, analyzing from the daily time frame, I would have the parity right here 1.000 and this level 1.1200 where market actually started dropping. Trend line all the way from the top here to this side. I'd want to see market come down here. I'll wait for market to get back down into this zone. Give me a reason, then I'll look to buy from this zone to this level. Let's move on to GBP JPY. For GBP JPY, okay, so moving on to GBP JPY. For GBP JPY, for some time now, the market has been super bullish. It just kept rising all the way up here, up until it retraced to this level, testing this one, and happened to find itself somewhere around the 208 level. So when market got to the 208 level, it actually reversed. It dropped. It really dropped significantly. but then this movement, this sales that actually happened here was actually caused by a fundamental. It was when the Bank of Japan actually decided to increase their interest rate by 25 basis points. That was when the yen started gaining some strength, and then GBP JPY just kept falling. And market has been reversing since that movement happened. It's been reversing from some upward moves and all that. So because of what the yen index is actually doing currently, I may want to go down to the 4-hour time frame and look for better entries. So what I'm expecting is I would actually mark up this zone. I'll mark up this zone right there, 191 level. I'll mark it up, and I would also mark this level as well. I'll probably consider the 194 level as well, 194, 194.50 level. I would expect market to continue further down, come test this level, filling this fair value gap right here. Market drop a little more further down, testing this 191 level, come back up to 194 level. Then I'll be looking to sell from 194 level to 188 level, perhaps taking out this low. So I would actually expect this market come into my zone, then I'll be looking to trade it further down, since I'm expecting some bearish momentum from the yen index. So this market moves up because of the bearish momentum I'm expecting, probably somewhere Wednesday. Then after that, I would expect the yen index to gain some strength after that. So I'll be looking to take it to the downside. That will be of about 500 pips. Not bad. Let's move on to Euro JPY. I would actually expect this market, I would mark up this zone. mark this up. Then I would expect the market to drop from this level, come test here, move back up to 162.5 level. Then I'll be looking to trade this to the downside to somewhere around 156 level. That would be all for EURJPY as well. I'll be looking to sell this market from somewhere around here. Entry just right there. Stop loss just above the zone. Just above the zone. And TP would be way down there. But of course, TP1 would be somewhere here and then TP2 would be just right there. But mind you, this is not a signal. This is my bias based on my trading concept. So do not think you will just jump on a trade. Please wait for entry confirmations before you take these trades, please. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more top forex market outlook.